Hello, my name is Megan Bowling, and I'm one of the paralegals and office manager at the law firm of Dennis M. Sandoval. In some cases, our clients have the ability to keep their loved ones at home, even though they require more than custodial care. If the individual qualifies for Medi-Cal, is blind, disabled, or over 65 years old, meets certain financial requirements, and is unable to live safely at home without care, he or she may qualify for in-home supportive services. In-home supportive services is a statewide program that provides those with limited income to live in their home and receive assistance with caregiving services. These services often include bathing, feeding, toileting, transportation, and assistance with meal preparation and medications. It is up to the individual to decide who their caretaker will be. It can be a spouse or family member, but can also be an independent provider. In any case, the caretaker will be required to be fingerprinted and a background check will be performed by the county. They will also likely have to attend a short training course which will give them information about getting paid and the rules and regulations associated with being an in-home support services caretaker. Throughout most of California, the caretaker wage is $8 per hour, which is minimum wage, and the amount of service hours provided can range from as few hours to a maximum of $195 per month for non-severely impaired applicants to 283 hours per month for more severely impaired clients. An agent from your county social services agency will set up an assessment with you and evaluate the client's need and ultimately decide how many hours you're qualified for. For more information about in-home support services, please call 951-787-7711 and we would be happy to discuss this with you further. Or you can visit us on our website at www.cal-elder-lawyer.com.